Hello everyone. So now moving on to our last unit, that is the last module, Unit 4. In this unit you have various evaluation techniques that the organizations use to know whether the IMC program that they have conducted is successful or not. By different test marketing, behavior, online research and through different advertising tracking record, they try to evaluate the success or the failure of the different IMC programs that they have launched. Then we will be covering the ethics that are there involved in the various IMC, and the last, the latest trends in IMC that is there in direct marketing, sales promotion and in advertisement. So, evaluating an integrated marketing program. There are three broad categories of evaluation tools. They are, the first is message evaluation technique. In this message evaluation technique, you try to examine the message that you are wanting to send to your customers or to your prospect buyers, and the physical design of the advertisement, like coupons or direct marketing. Whatever you want to send to your receiver, you will try to evaluate that whether this message has been received or not. The second category to evaluate is the online evaluation metrics. It examines online advertising and the different marketing campaigns. The internet provides a unique set of metrics that are not available with the traditional data and the other medias. So through online evaluation, you try to find out that how many times the customer has clicked to a particular advertisement that you have broadcasted or done something to the media advertising. So through this you try to find out that whether online advertising was effective enough or not. The third category to evaluate is the respondent behavior evaluation. It considers visible customers' actions, including store visits, inquiries or actual purchases. The behavior evaluation is done through competitive responses, scanner data, market share, profitability and social responsibility. The special promotion should be introduced in the test area. The counter marketing campaign also help in evaluating the effectiveness and efficiency of the entire program. Through scanner data, the company can test the result of the test market, which is establishing at the starting point of the project. Now, what is message evaluation all about? Evaluation or testing of advertisement communication takes place at every stage of the development process. This includes the concept stage before an advertisement is produced. The primary methods that are used by companies and advertising agencies to evaluate advertising and ad campaign messages are advertising tracking research and copy testing. Now, what is advertising tracking research all about? It is a method in which a series of surveys are conducted over a period of time among the representative sample target, that is the audiences, consumer, prospect buyers or anybody. Continuous tracking via interviews conducted throughout the year recommended for major brands in the FMCG categorized. They are heavily advertised. Now, what are the different techniques of message evaluation? The first technique for message evaluation is copy testing. What is copy testing all about? It is a specialized field of marketing research that determines an advertisement's effectiveness based on consumer responses, feedback and behavior. And it is also known as pre-testing sometimes. It might address all media channels including television, radio, outdoor signages, internet and other social media. The second is concept testing, to be distinguished from pre-testing markets and test markets, which may be used at a later stage of a product development research. It is the process, concept set testing. It is a process of doing surveys and sometimes qualitative methods to evaluate consumer acceptance of a new product idea prior to the introduction to the main market. It is very important to know whether the customer really liked your idea or not. Before launching it at a very big level, you should always try to test it at a small level so that if any recommendation or if anything needs to be improved, it can be done at an early stage. It is important not to confuse concept testing with advertisement testing, brand testing and packaging testing, as it is sometimes differently done for different categories. Concept testing focuses on the basic product idea without the establishment and periphery inherited in advertising. Now, the third is cognitive neuroscience. It is the scientific field that is concerned with the study of the biological processes and aspects that underlie cognition with a special focus, or you can say a specific focus on the neural connections in the brain which are involved in